5 Proven Ways to Make Money Online. There are endless ways you can use to make money online. Some will give you great returns, while others will leave you working for pennies. Here are the top 5 proven ways that you can consider. Webinar trainings. One of the ways you can make a significant amount of money online is through webinar training. A webinar is an online event held in real time. The people present are able to interact with each other and with the presenters by sending and receiving messages in real time. To be successful in webinar training, it is important that you have a recognized online presence in your niche or area of expertise. Start an online course. Another way to make money online is by starting your own online course. Courses present a good source of passive income. When you create a course, you can sell it for many years to come with little to no updates depending on the topic. It is easy to start a course and you can price it the way you want. According to Teachable.com, their instructors make upwards of $5,200 per month, and most start making money immediately after launching their courses. People are wired to seek education and skills. Therefore, if you have a good course that really delivers value, it becomes easy to build a 7-figure business with it. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the act of selling products owned by others for a commission. You can use affiliate networks such as ClickBank or others, or look for other online businesses and companies that have their own affiliate offers. You can easily make money with affiliate marketing if you have a blog with a good following. You can sell products or services that would interest your blog followers and make passive income without much effort. Drop shipping. With dropshipping, you sell products through your site to people who are interested without having to deal with inventory or delivery of the same. It is also a great way to make money online without a lot of investment upfront. Become a freelancer. Finally, you can become a freelancer and engage in lucrative ventures such as content marketing, digital marketing and advertising, web analytics, web design, graphic design, and others. All of these are freelancing careers that are scalable and able to bring in a decent amount of income. Many people have built million-dollar online business offering such services. If you are looking to make money online, the time to start is now. If you are lucky, you might make money immediately, but for most ventures, you will need time to gain traction and start making a decent income. Tony Durham is an expert author on matters to do with making money online. You can contact him to give you quality content for your website by following the link below in description.